Hey guys, welcome back to What Adrianne Thinks. It's me, Adrianne. This week I'm going to show you how to make an easy charcuterie board that is amazing and so good. I made this board for a special person. It's Inga and it's her birthday and I wanted to make a special treat for her. And we both love charcuterie boards, so this was a pleasure to make for her special day. We're ordering in and I'm going to show you how to make this delicious board. Let's get to the countdown. All right, so our board starts off with some steamed shrimp, and I just topped it off with a little Cajun spice, threw some lemons in there. Now, if you've never had pink pineapple, do yourself a favor and try it. Your board can shape up to look any way you like. These were just things I ordered in, and look how amazing. I have chicken salad. I blanched those string beans. I have some baguettes that I sliced up, some hummus, and a pile of homemade chips. So delicious. Let's check out the finished board. Look at this. Yeah, I know you're hungry. It was amazing. Now let's get to the second board. Our second board has some Iberico chorizo on it. It is so good. Some prosciutto di Parma. So good, guys. You have to try this out. Now let's look. We have some dried pears and walnuts. I have some cranberries down there. We had two types of cheese. We had manchego and Gouda. We had some crisp that was so good. But look at this completed board, guys. It can be any way you want it to be. And just like that, it comes together so quick, so easy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy video. Inga, I really hope you enjoyed your birthday, and I know you did. Guys, take time to hit that like button. Tell your family, your friends, your aunties, your uncle and them, and tell them what I'm doing in this kitchen, y'all, and what Adrianne thinks. Until next time, charcuterie boards out.